Some days this work and this life feels heavy. The stories I hear, the burdens I carry, the challenges I face. But today, I pause. I breathe. I remind myself of the things I'm grateful for. Because even in the hardest moments, there is light. And sometimes I just need to look for it. I'm grateful for the small moments of connection, for the kindness of a stranger, the warmth of a familiar voice, the unexpected laughter that softens a hard day, for the survivor who trusted me with their story, the child who smiled at me, the quiet thank you that reminds me that I'm making a difference. I'm grateful for my own resilience, for the strength to keep going even when I feel tired, for the ability to hold space for others without losing myself, for the moments I remember to care for myself, to rest, to refill my own cup. I'm grateful for the people around me, for the friends who listen, the colleagues who stand beside me, the loved ones who remind me that I'm never alone, for the team who do this work with me, for their understanding and support, for their lightening of the load. I'm grateful for courage, for the survivors who take the first step towards healing even when it feels impossible, for those who fight for justice, for dignity, for hope, for the quiet strength in all of us that surges again and again. I'm grateful for the tools I have, for the knowledge, for the training, for the privilege of being able to help. For the progress I see, the moments of healing, the sparks of change. For the reminder that even the smallest action can make a big difference. I'm grateful for life itself, for breath in my lungs, for the body that carries me, for the beauty of a new day, for the food on my table, the roof over my head, the love that surrounds me, even when I can't always see it. And today, I choose gratitude. Not because the challenges disappear, but because gratitude helps me see the light. And it reminds me why I do this work, why I keep going, why hope is worth holding on to. So, I will keep looking for the good in my work, in my life, in the people I'm lucky enough to serve. And maybe, just maybe, this practice will remind me why I started in the first place.